Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, It's About You, 757. The song is You, the artist is Jordan Armstrong, and the choreography is AKILI MCLAMORE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. There you go. It's About You, 757. My name is Linda Sims. I am the teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you